Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to play iPhone videos in slow motion. Playing iPhone videos in slow motion allows you to watch details more clearly or create dramatic effects. This iPhone's built-in Photos app lets you adjust playback speed for videos recorded in slow-mo or normal videos. This guide will show you how to play and edit videos in slow motion on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Locate the video you wanted to play. Tap the video to open it, and if it's a slow-mo video, it will display a timeline with thick and thin lines indicating speed. Then tap the play button to watch the video. Now to adjust the slow motion, just tap Edit in the top or bottom right corner. And the timeline, drag the vertical bars to set where slow motion starts and ends. Preview the changes by tapping play. Now adjust the thin by dragging the thin lines and adjust thick lines by dragging the thin lines to fine-tune slow motion speed. For normal videos, use third-party apps like iMovie or CapCut to apply slow motion. Open iMovie or CapCut, create a new project, and import your video. Then tap Add. Tap the video clip in the timeline and select the spade or the turtle or rocket icon. Drag the slider to reduce speed for slow motion. Tap Done and then export to save the slow motion video. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.